Welcome or welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the top 5 transcription websites that you can join as a beginner that require absolutely no prior experience and no prior experience, no skills, and no money to get started. So before we get started, what is a transcriptionist or a transcriber? So a transcriber is someone who just listens to audio or video recordings and writes down what is being said. So there's different types of transcriptions. There's verbatim and non-verbatim. So depending on the website that you decide to join or the gig that you get on the freelance platforms, you will be advised on the different types of rules each platform has, because different transcription websites have different rules. So the 5th website I'm going to start with is Upwork. Upwork is a great beginner platform for transcribers because first you require no prior experience, no skills, and no money to get started. So as a transcriber on Upwork, this is how much you can make per hour. You can see this one is charging $10 an hour and they have earned over $4,000. There's $5 an hour and they've earned over $1,000. There's $5 an hour, $8 an hour, $10 an hour, $3 an hour, $10 per hour, 27. So you can charge anywhere between $5 to $20 an hour for every transcription. This is where you can join as a transcriber, as a freelancer. But if you want to join using a platform, the next 4 websites I'm going to be showing you are going to be platforms that are focused specifically on the transcription process. They are actually transcription websites and not a freelance platform. So the fourth website that you can get started on as a transcriber is Casting Words. So Casting Words is just an online platform designed to provide transcription work specifically. There's no other types of jobs on this platform. So as a transcriber, how to join the Casting Words transcription, you just scroll all the way to the bottom and press on this button right here, the freelancers tab. You'll press on this tab, it will redirect you to where you can join the platform. Casting Words does not pay per hour as compared to a freelance platform like Upwork. You're paid per audio minute, and the pay rate ranges based on your experience on the platform, your grade on the platform, and how long the audio actually is. But the range is from $0.3 to around $1 a minute per audio minute that you transcribe. So if you use AI tools like Otter or any other transcription platform, you can make up to around $5 to $10 per hour on Casting Words based on your level on the platform. So the third website that you can make money as a beginner transcriber is GoTranscript. So it allows translators and transcribers. So I'll leave a link of all the websites down below. So be sure to check them out if you're a beginner transcriber or transcriptionist. So on GoTranscript, you can add $0.6 per audio or video minute that you transcribe. So the average earnings per month is $150 and the top monthly earnings are $15. So you have the discretion of choosing if you want this to be your side hustle or you want it to be your main hustle. As a side hustle, you can start with now the average earnings per month, which is $150, and then work your way up to earning up to $1,215, which is not bad. So the second website that I'm going to show you is Scribby. I'll leave a link of I'll leave a link on how to join Scribby in the description section down below. So how much can you earn on Scribby as compared to the other transcription websites? Let's just check that out really fast. So just go to the freelancers tab right here. So work at your convenience and earn $5 to $20 per audio hour. We provide automated transcripts to save you around 60% of the typing effort. So this is also among one of the top transcription websites that you can get started on. You've seen you can make $5 and all you're doing is typing. The best part about these websites are all you're doing is typing, and you're typing in the comfort of your own home. And there are so many AI tools that are free out there that you can use to be a transcriptionist. This would be a great side hustle to get started with, especially if you have no experience on the platform and no experience as a transcriptionist, as a transcriber. So you can see here you can earn the top rated website for transcribers is Transcribe Me. So for Transcribe Me, they pay the highest, they have the highest rates based on my experience as a transcriber. So let me just select freelancer so I can take you through. So you can see monetize your downtime with the industry's highest pay. So they do have the highest pay. So they start at $15 to $22 per audio hour. So for every audio hour that you transcribe, you can be paid between $15 and $22. And this is now depending on your ranks, on whether you're a beginner, an expert, an intermediate, or an intermediate. You can see there are some people that earn $60 to $70 per audio hour. So the average monthly earnings are $250, which is not bad for as a starter side hustle. If you want it to be your main hustle, you can make up to even $1,000 on this platform. I know some people who make up to $2,000 on the platform. It just depends on how many hours you work per day and how many audio hours you churn out as you're working. For this transcription websites, all you need to do is just be consistent, and then you need to join as many transcription websites as possible, because most jobs on the transcription websites are on a fast come fast serve basis. So if you're not fast enough, you're going to lose out on a lot of jobs. So there's a lot of competition on these platforms, especially the top. There's a lot of competition on these platforms, so you have to be very active if you want to make a full-time income on these transcription websites. And then all the transcription websites, all the 4 transcription websites that I've shared in this video require you're required to do an examination, a transcription examination, before you can start transcribing. For Transcribe Me, you'll do a grammar test and an audio test. For Scribby, go transcript and casting words, you'll do the same. For casting words, all you need to do is transcribe a 1-minute audio. I'm going to share with you how to join casting words in the description down below. So yeah, so those are the main websites. Those are the main websites that you can start as a transcriber, as a beginner transcriber, and earn up to $30 an hour. You've seen it's very easy to earn up to $30 an hour if you're consistent enough and if you join different transcription platforms, because you can find that on a day like this, maybe there's no jobs on Scribby, but there are jobs on Transcribe Me, and there's no jobs maybe on Go Transcript, but there's jobs on casting words. That's why it's very advisable to join all the transcription websites that I've shared in this video. So if you like this kind of content, please be sure to subscribe to my channel, like and comment. If you have any questions with regards to transcription, or if you like any video, if you would like me to do a video on the transcription process, how to start, the different AI tools that you can use to help you transcribe, please leave me a comment in the comment section down below. I'll really appreciate it. So thank you for watching till this far. I'll see you in the next video.